We always focus on controllables, right? Exxon, as a company that operates in 50 countries, has all kinds of moving parts. Income tax was a big one this quarter. A lot of the earnings upside was simply from lower than expected income tax. So not a very high quality beat. The metric that I would encourage everybody to focus on is production. This was the 9th quarter out of the past 10 with production down year over year. Not a very good track record. The rate of decline has slowed. It was as bad as 5-6%. Recently, this time it was down 2.5%, but still 9th decline out of the past 10.
So that is for you. That's the whole ball of wax. There is whether they're replacing reserves or how much they're producing. The natural gas was up, but what was down?
Well, so actually liquids were up
okay.
just by a hair, and natural gas was down.
Okay.
Exxon, while everybody thinks of it as an oil company, close to half of its production is actually nat gas. A lot of that is in the U.S., and as I think most people know, U.S. natural gas prices have been very depressed. Exxon has practically stopped investing in that part of its business. If you remember, this is what they bought from XTO almost a decade ago. Not the best decision on their part. So that is in steady decline. The other source of big declines is European gas, where you got wind and solar essentially killing gas prices there for many years now. So that's a source of major decline. But I will say one of the nice metrics here was U.S. liquids. So some of this is now Permian Basin, where they are investing quite aggressively. That was up 11%. So that's silver lining.
All right. So you think at 80, we're 82 or so, you think that's overvalued here? I mean, you have a long-term negative view on the prospects for the stock, or you like the dividend, or what?
The dividend yield is high, and it's certainly safe.
4%.
On the other hand, here's what I would say. For people who are bullish on the underlying commodity story, and Raymond James is very bullish on oil, this is not the best way to play that by far.
All right.
Simply not enough operating leverage to oil.